at the park today. This is called the Secret Park, or the Hidden Park. Just a minute, Sissy. Sissy wants to swing on the big swings. Here we go. And Jack knows how to pump. He's doing really good. Ugh, I gotta give him a push. Hold on. Ugh. I'm working on it. Is that good?
Mom, hurry! Hurry!
Hi, Jack. Are you pumping?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, Sissy, hold on. Gotta hold on. Okay, wait.